if you can top all those lights. Oh no, baby. I don't smoke. Put those away. Everybody knows that smoking is bad for you. Right? Dégueulasse. Do you have something for me? Something shiny and bright like a light? What do you have? Oh la la. Diamonds are a girl's best friend. A kiss on the hand can be quite continental. A kiss may be grand, but it won't pay the rental on your humble flat or at the automat. Men grow cold and girls, they don't grow old, but we all lose our charm in the end. But square cut or pear shaped, these rocks don't lose their shape. Diamonds. Diamonds are a girl's best friend. Now, to establish that, I don't like to smoke, but I like to start fires.
When we did it, I'll admit it, wasn't satisfied. When the gun was loaded, you were never on my side.
Next time, bring me diamonds. bitch of the evening gets a special prize, right? So what do we have, fellas? A special prize. Oh my God. Oh my God. A banana with one of your shirts on. That's amazing. How did you guys do that? Here, hold this. You should undress him.
Oh. Wow, wow.
Do you know what to do with it? Yes? You will eat it. Perfect. Oh, very good. Oh, yes. Yes, very good. Deeper. Yes. Deeper. Okay. Thank you, Gaultier. You've been wonderful. And now you're no longer hungry. Okay? That's the important thing. So, thanks for being my bitch tonight. Bye. Je t'aime. No, stay here. Here. He's just going to take you down. He's going to take you way down. And he's going to help you finish that banana. Okay?